summer.
How's it, gents? Recently moved to a carported house now, so we got space for all the babies here. There's the one, there's the two, and then the workhorse is obviously outside. Yeah. So I bought E46 330D. So far having a lot of fun with it. Sold the Lancer, left the Japanese and went, well, kind of left the Japanese. Still got I don't really know if it is Japanese anymore, you know, with all the cars companies combining and stuff. Anyway, there's the 330 that got a few things I want to do to it, and then we've also got I think it's an E87 120i, so petrol and diesel. Both need a few things. Oh, this one, yeah, I'm busy with, you can guess, the sunroof. So I'm busy with the headliner. I was taking it off the other day. Busy. So it's all stripped out. Pieces are out. That's out. Visors are out. Sun visors, and this middle piece needs to come out still. I think I'm not too sure that, I think it's clipped in. Backing with that a bit, then the back lights, and then those little lights, and then we can start with the weather stripping, and then I'll take the A, B and C pillars out. I'm thinking of doing like a little walkthrough with that. And then the sunroof pops out. I'm getting a whole new one. Just waiting for it to arrive. All this stuff hanging around. What else am I doing with the BM? I want to do the exhaust obviously, but I think that will leave for last, the good stuff for last. The EGR delete, and I need to take off the intake manifold, because I need to do a swirl flap delete as well. The rear disc, I'm going to have to replace the rear discs on the car, because at the moment it's not stopping very well. Yeah, so it's standing for a while. Just need the sunroof to come, and then we'll go from there. I was actually thinking of doing a little like tutorial videos on the BM now. Yeah, I suppose this will be the first episode of that whole undubber. And yeah, and then there's this horrible rust spot here that we're gonna have to get sorted eventually, because otherwise it's gonna crack the whole windscreen, and nobody wants a cracked windscreen. Well, then we got this one here, which I'm wanting to do. I think we've got to do the rear shocks on her, and then we're wanting to get it repainted, because you see the clear coat and stuff's coming off on the bumper, and it's what's this called, oxidization on the paint. And otherwise this one's going well. This just needs a bit of cosmetic. I was thinking of doing the whole let's make the headlights a bit dark, the lighter shade though, give it the stealth look. Maybe going with the black wheels, and I don't know about a pipe one. Yeah, everyone says straight pipe everything, but I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, we've gone fully German now, the two German cars. And then we've got the Jampton out here. This is the work vehicle, and the camera van, and the people carrier. Oh, it carries everyone. But yeah, also thinking of doing a living with a Datsun Go video, because I've had her now for a year. I don't know if we'll see if people are interested. I've already given it a bit of a bump.